How's a 10-man metalworks here? Hey, I'm going to show you how to make at least $2,000 a month in just a couple of hours of your time, consistently every month. I seen this YouTube video about this kid making car ramps and how he thought it was such a dumb idea, but he made some, posted an ad, and he says he makes like $3,000-$4,000 a month off them. I thought, what a stupid idea. Like, who's gonna buy trailer ramps? But I thought, hey, maybe. So I randomly grabbed a couple of pictures of car ramps off of the internet, made an ad in Facebook Marketplace, and I sold 2 sets that same day and 3 sets the next day. I just had all my customers come pick them up. I made $1,300 in 2 days from trailer ramps. And I still got orders coming in. It's crazy. Now, what a simple, stupid idea. Anyway, they're stupid simple to make. Let's just jump into it. Post an ad. You're going to make money on these. Now, I live in Utah where, there's a lot of farmers and country boys. Maybe that has something to do with it. But anyway, I'll show you how I make mine. Stupid simple. So I advertise mine at 5 feet long and $40 for each additional foot. So $20 a foot per ramp. I'm just cutting 2 pieces of angle iron out at 5 feet long. Normally I make these out of 2x2 angle iron, 3/16 thick. This set is actually made out of 3x3, but that's because this guy is loading big construction equipment and he wanted them a little tougher than normal, so I made him some out of 3x3. I'm sure you could drive a D9 Cat on them. So we're just cutting out 2 pieces at 5 feet long. Then we're going to cut the middle webs 10 inches long out of the same material. So I just make these on this little card I got. I'm going to make a jig for it because it'll go twice as fast if I have a jig, and clearly they're going to be a big seller out of my shop. So now how I do these, I just put the webs 12 inches on center from the bottom. So I put one just right up against the bottom, and then I will take a tape measure and put the other ones at 12 inches on center up the whole ramp. I'll grab my speed square, just square them up. Pull your side rails together nice and snug. Once you got them all laid out, you're just going to grab your welder. Just weld along both sides. Pretty simple. Now these cost me about $50 a piece to make, and I'm selling them for $240. I mean, they take me about an hour to make a complete set, so I mean, that's good money. There's one completed, and just going to make a match to it, and out the door they'll go. I think I'm probably going to make 5 or 6 sets, just have them leaning up against the wall somewhere in the shop. If you have a CNC table or a weld shop and you want to learn how to make some simple money-making projects, smash that subscribe button and hit a like on this one. It keeps me motivated to make these videos. Fast, simple cash. Check out my other videos after this one's done. I have a couple of more on there with some simple, easy projects just like this one. Now, additionally, I have a CNC Plasma Table, so I advertise that I'll put their name on them for $50. And apparently people steal these a lot, so they're more than happy to throw that $25 a ramp to have a nameplate welded on there. So I just cut their name or company name out of a piece of 10 gauge, and I'll cut a slot in it so that it's not very easy to cut off. If you weld it on the edge, somebody can just cut it off and grind it off. But if you put a little slit in it like I did, it's pretty hard for people to get that off of there. They have to earn it, man. And there's a set with this gentleman's last name. I made those out of square tubing. He had a nicer trailer and wanted a nicer ramp. Obviously, I charged a lot more for those, but you just weld that little piece on the end there. Stupid simple to make. Stupid easy money. I'm telling you. Make some, post an ad. You're going to sell a bunch of these. I'm in central Utah. I mean, I'm selling a lot, so kudos to that kid and his YouTube video. Thanks, buddy.